Happy Saturday there, Snail family. I got ourselves a job. You know what time it is. Time to get designing on something. But check it out. Look, I got this AC unit. This is my snail shack. This is my shed. She shed in the backyard. But yeah, check it out. So that AC has a vent. Well, obviously, it has a vent going to the outside. Now check it out. I got a hole right here. I just put some kind of thermal tape right here and made it so it doesn't leak as much as I can. But I'm gonna do a vent on the outside here. I want to see if it works. And I learned something from Slant 3D. Shout out to Slant 3D. See it on the screen right now. He did something where they did the vents, but the holes were kind of not straight. And I want to do that. I don't know where to look on this camera. I was looking at the other side, so I'm sorry about that. But I want to do it so the holes aren't straight, so the light doesn't let light through and it just looks cleaner. But we'll try and design something up, see how it works, and see if it functions okay and lets the air through good. It can't back up air. It's got to let it through nice and easy. So let's see if we can't design something cool and probably something unique to 3D printing. All right, here we go. I'm not entirely sure those holes are big enough. Man, it's almost a 24-hour print. It's crazy. But it's pretty cool. I gotta admit, I do like that pattern a lot. But I'm not sure if it's gonna be enough holes. We'll just have to see. Are big enough holes? I think so, but I'd say maybe that's a quarter of the way filled, you know, air-wise, maybe 33%, something like that, a third. So imagine that was shrunken down to a third size with a little bit of air moving restriction, if that would work. We'll have to see. But I've got another, let's see how long, 16 hours and 26 minutes to think about whether or not that'll work. So this is going to take a long to print this prototype. All right. Next up is taking out the bill plate and hanging it up. Today is October 26th, Saturday. And tomorrow, and I'm still printing this thing, I've got a long time to go. So I'll do a live stream tomorrow and we'll see if this thing printed up okay. How's that? On Sunday at around 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I'll do a live stream. And we'll see if this thing printed up. And if it works out okay. But it should fit right over this. And hopefully it has enough holes to do good. Take bets. You guys see if you guys think it'll work or not. And I'm not entirely convinced, but like and subscribe and we'll see you tomorrow.